Yo. All right. Today is March 21st, 2025. 20 minutes. 10 minutes. 20 minutes. Okay. So today is March 21st, 2025. Today's quadruple witching, meaning that we have a ton of contracts expiring today. Um, so quadruple witching refers to simultaneous expiration 4 times a year of stock options, index futures, and index future options derivative contracts. Contracts leading to increase. Okay, so we have should have an increased market volatility. Um, okay, so just some stuff to just. Okay. So we're on the final hour of trading. So um, usually it's slow throughout the whole entire day. That's pretty much it. Anyway, so let's get into our day. Yesterday I took one trade. Um, I took one trade. I was able to capitalize on the downside trade for a nice little move. Price did pull back and then eventually went down even further. So, what am I looking for? So, we've been kind of in this whole range the entire one, two, three, four, now it's five, right? In this range the entire time. I still think we will come down further, maybe at least down back to here before moving up. I don't think we're bullish yet. I think we're still bearish and we're just trying to figure things out. That's my hypothesis. I could be wrong, but I really think that we will see more downside before there's upside. I think these are just hopeful moves, and I would like to see price do move down further. I think VIX have some ways to still go. Um, so that's those are just my thoughts. All right, so we had some volume here on a daily, which we hardly ever see. Um, let's go to the 4 hour. All right, we have a strong absorption candle. I did mark my highs and my lows last night. Strong absorption candle, strong selling candle. I did mark most of these candles the night before. Most of these things have been marked already, so I'm not gonna go too much into depth as far as these levels go. Look at prices rise. If yeah, if this rises, then we'll see more low, and I think that we are going to see more rising, and then eventually, probably for quite a bit, maybe depending on how price decides to react. 1 hour strong selling. Zoom out. So this area here is important for ES and Q. We'll mark it. Zoom in. All right, mouse, stop acting up. All right, we got that, and then it's this one here, but price has somewhat no, still have some spots to respect on this one, so I'll mark it nonetheless. This was strong selling. Right, I should have already got most of that out of the way. We're gonna go into, yeah, like I said, I do think we'll still see some more downside. That's just my thoughts. I think this, this move up was just all fluff. But looking at it, it looked very, scary to see. 30 minutes. Alright, so we got this here. Alright, I thought this would have reversed looking at that. Actually, oh, yeah, it was a potential reversal spot. But then we decided to destroy it, but still would have been something to just look into getting into. This one here. Our current candle is a setup. Got this absorption. Yeah, this is all around potential reversal. Would have, yeah, would have. Wait for that. I'm gonna see what this looks like. I'm going to market because I want to see what price looks like in the lower time frames. Do I have any other charts available? All right, got plenty. All right, cool. Bet. All right, so let's zoom out. Okay. Where's the buy? Got a failed buy. That's probably where price failed at. There's no buying here. I wouldn't trust this. Zoom out. Alright, so we do have a buy here. Zoom out. Alright, we got a buy here. Okay, so we do have something to potentially work with. Alright, nothing on the that. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. What is out the way? 15. Let's see if there's anything there to help back any of that. Nope, we got an absorption right here at the top. So would have been really just facing a lot. So this makes sense for price to just stop right there. So that would have been a potential area for an exit, which you can see that price held. Put this in the 15. Nice job right here, right? So probably would have been more. We do have buying though. See, that's a buy candle right here. So right here at 45 to 5, that's a buy. That's a buy candle right here. Buy candle right here. All right, we're gonna go back to the 1 minute, and then as you can see, we had buying step up. All right, looking much better now. Buying stepped up, came down, absorption. I could enter here. Fuck, would have been stopped. I would have pissed me off. Probably would have re-entered. All right, so I could have entered here, right? Either at this candle or the break of the candle. If I did enter at the break of the candle, I probably would have held it a little longer, because probably would have added to that trade, and then the goal would have been, yeah, that would have been a nice trade, right? We have this buying stepped in, boom, came back down, retested, enter here at the break. Let's see here. This one doesn't have much with it. We'll wait for price to fully break out of the clouds, come back in, and enter right here. One of the two would have been good. Stop loss stays below. All right, it was been 10 minutes. Okay. I just wanted to see what this idea would have worked out. Right. Enter here again, and then aiming for right up here, and yeah, exit. This would have been a nice little trade for 12 points. And then, you know, if we're aiming for VWAP, I probably wouldn't have been aiming for VWAP. I just would have just been aiming for price to reach the highs here, and then just track it. So 10 to 12 points would have been fine with me, and then just called it there. Maybe got these two in, and that would have been a great trade. And then knowing that we needed to reverse, and here goes a reversal right here. Boom. Yep, nice reversal right here. We got absorption at that level. Needed to see sell first. Got a sell. Right. Price comes back up, and then we're just looking for another rejection. Right. That's too high up. That's too far gone. This one looks good. This here. All right. And do we have anything that matches? We do have this up here. Do we even touch that? We get close to it. All right, we get close to it. We don't touch it, but we do touch this fell by. All right, and then we just run this bad boy back down from this here, probably right after that. So this is more of a confirmation. This is just the setup, and then we would aim for it down here, and then maybe price would go further down. So enter here. Stop loss there, 4 points, and then 30. All right, so price is destroying stuff. So let's go to the charts and let's finish setting up. All right, so kind of really mark that. So we got the 30-minute area, right? This price down here, still looking for something around here. Let's zoom out. Right, so let's go to the 15-minute time frame, and then we'll see that, right, the setup that I was just looking at. All right, so we can clear this because the price is now below it. Let's clear all of these, so it wasn't all for naught. Let's clear this here. We can clear that. We clear the FOMC. We will keep that there. Let's go to this side here, and we'll mess around with this range here. No, we're just gonna leave that because all of that is part of it. Okay, price is going back up towards the top. We do have a strong sell here. I think it matched with that. Does it match with the 1 hour? Yeah, it is just a deep sell. So let's go to the 5-minute, see if there's anything else to help support this. All right, let's go back out first, look up at that level. Nothing's there. Okay. All right, so we got this. Here, I don't see any RSIs, but we do have like a break between these things here. So I'm gonna mark this like this. All right, just the candle itself, because it's light. All right. I thought I had my clock up. I don't. 9:10. All right, because it's light. Because maybe nothing will come of it. Maybe something will, but it's between these things here that I just added. But I'm not holding my breath that they will work. But I am gonna mark them because we do have a strong volume there. but I'm keeping it fainted to let me know that, well, it may not be something that to be too much interested in. Maybe I use it as a level of interest to get touched. All right, so we got that. Let's go to the 1 minute now. I need to detach this one because things are just getting too close up. And I'll be walking away. All right, so all right, let's go back to that level we had back there. Let me see if there's anything that sticks out. All right, so we have this absorption that stands out right here. All right, so we got an abs. All right. That's pretty much all that I got. All right, got that. All right, let's zoom out. We got a little bit of RSI. Pretty fainted, but a little bit of RSI, a ton of RSI here, back and forth. Not very clear as to what's happening. It's just so much, but we're gonna see what can we work with. There goes those absorption levels. We got that. Absorption. Is there anything in the sell off that I can take? We do have some RSIs here. I'm gonna mark this part like this. This one starts way up here, so I'll mark it there too. And we also have an absorption level right above it. Sheesh. We'll mark that. And then we got this one here. We'll mark that. And then we'll add the 1 minute abs for this one. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. Okay, I'm gonna slow down. I need to go back for VIX to see if VIX had anything where ES and NQ had this strong volume, or this strong candle here. If VIX did, it destroyed it. It went all the way through it, in and out. So not really anything I can work with. Let's see, price went all the way through it, so that's that. Okay, that's a good thing. Let's go to look for anything on VIX here. Usually I don't do 1 minute on VIX because it just doesn't work out too well, but I got a little something right here, so I'm gonna mark. We got this doji line right here, so I'm marking that. And I don't have any RSIs like I do with NQ, so I'm going to keep that blank. Alright, so we're all the way down here at this level. VIX is at its level at the top. We do have selling right here. Get rid of the settlement price. This 15-minute abs might go. This is just a lot of information. I'm not even gonna lie. This feels like a lot of information. So Sell. All right, so that's my time. I'm gonna be wrapping this up. I'm at 20 minutes already. We had a nice downtrend, maybe another uptrend here to retest. Um, let's wrap this up soon. Fix doesn't have much for me to work with as far as that goes. Let's go back a little bit. Okay. Okay, let's go to the 30 and then we'll do some clearing. I'll get rid of this low and get rid of this low. And let's go to the 15-minute. We're kind of holding that absorption. Right, well, that absorption is at another absorption, so we'll get rid of this, that. So we do have absorption. Maybe price will reverse. All right, we'll go to the 30-minute. We're still setting up. All right, so that's it for me today. I'll be back later. Adios. I did everything right. I did news. No, I didn't do settlement price. No news today. Squad of wishing. I didn't do settlement price. This one here. All right. And then we'll be done. What the heck is settlement price? That can't be settlement price. Why is it doing that? 5712. 5712.25. There we go. Okay. We're down 220 points from that level. Why is this so big? Set. Alright, so here we go. Here we go. Alright. Alright, that's it from me. I'll be back